Python's in and not in operators streamline membership testing, enhancing code efficiency and readability. These operators allow for quick checks within data structures, eliminating the need for manual iteration. By leveraging Python's optimized internal mechanisms, developers can achieve faster execution times and reduced code complexity, making them essential tools for effective data operations. Membership testing is crucial in Python for data manipulation, validation, and control flow. It enhances search operations, input validation, and conditional logic execution. Python's membership operators offer efficiency and clarity, outperforming manual iteration. They feature optimized implementations, reduced complexity, and natural syntax, ensuring faster execution and improved code readability. Efficiently checking if a value exists in a collection is crucial. Common use cases include searching lists, strings, dictionaries, sets, and tuples. Traditional looping methods are inefficient and error-prone, often leading to verbose code. Python's membership operators offer a streamlined, reliable alternative, enhancing both performance and readability. Manual membership testing involves cumbersome loops and temporary variables, as seen in checking if 3 is in my list. This approach is verbose and inefficient. Python's in operator simplifies this to a single, clear expression, enhancing code readability and efficiency. Python's in and not in operators are built-in, optimized for speed and clarity. They work universally with lists, tuples, strings, dictionaries, sets, and custom objects. These operators return Boolean results, making them ideal for conditional statements and filtering operations, enhancing code readability and efficiency. Membership operators in Python, in and not in, enhance code readability. In checks if a value exists in a collection, returning true if found. Conversely, not in confirms absence, returning true if the value is missing. This syntax aligns with Python's philosophy of writing code that reads like natural language. Membership operators like in and not in are versatile across Python collections. For example, apple in a list of fruits returns true, while grape does not. Similarly, Python in a string or name in a dictionary confirms presence. This consistent syntax simplifies checking element presence in lists, strings, dictionaries, and sets.